beauty lovers! Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive into the real deal behind every beauty product. Today, we're talking about an eyeshadow that promises to blend seamlessly and stay put all day without any creasing. Let's see if Jane Iredale PurePressed Eye Shadow Triple in the shade Driftwood really lives up to the hype. This powder eyeshadow is touted as a highly pigmented, mineral-based formula designed specifically for sensitive eyes. The matte finish is ideal for those who prefer a natural look or want a base that can easily be paired with other shimmer products. It also claims to be long-lasting and crease-resistant, a pretty bold statement for an eyeshadow, especially for those who often find their lids betraying their makeup by midday. The PurePressed Eye Shadow Triple comes in a compact with 3 shades that you can use on their own or mix and match to create your perfect eye look. Driftwood, the shade I tried, is a soft, earthy brown, perfect for a versatile, everyday look. Let's talk ingredients quickly, because when it comes to sensitive eyes, you want to know what's inside. This product is mineral-based, meaning it's free of harsh chemicals that could irritate delicate skin, which is great news for people prone to allergies or sensitivities. Now, when I tested this, I started by using the lightest shade as a base on my lids. It went on so smoothly, and I noticed it didn't skip or drag on the skin like some powder formulas do. The pigment was great for a matte shade, which can sometimes lack vibrancy. What's really impressive here is the blendability. It's incredibly easy to work with. Whether you want to build up the color or just lightly sweep it across your lids, it feels effortless. Performance. Let's be honest, we all know how annoying it is when your eyeshadow creases or fades halfway through the day. Well, with Jane Iredale, that wasn't an issue. I wore it for several hours, from morning until the evening, and didn't see any of the usual settling into fine lines. It's truly crease resistant, and I didn't even need to use a primer. That's a huge win for me. If you have oily eyelids though, I'd still recommend a primer to lock it in place even more. As for the pros and cons, let's break it down. The pros: the texture is smooth and easy to apply. The pigmentation is just the right amount of boldness without being overwhelming. And the blendability is top-notch. Plus, it's safe for sensitive eyes, which is a major plus for anyone dealing with irritation from other products. On the flip side, the cons are pretty minor. While the product is marketed as crease-resistant, it might not be enough for those with very oily lids without some additional help from a primer. Also, the shade range could be a bit more varied, especially if you're someone who loves experimenting with color. Now, let's talk about the value for money. The price of this eyeshadow is a bit on the higher end compared to drugstore brands, but considering its performance and skin-friendly formulation, it feels worth the investment, especially if you have sensitive eyes and want a product that you can trust. If you're looking for an affordable alternative, I'd suggest checking out ELF. Cosmetics eyeshadows, they offer similar results, but at a more budget-friendly price point. In terms of build quality, the packaging feels premium. The compact is sturdy, and it's got a decent-sized mirror inside, which makes it super convenient for on-the-go touch-ups. As for longevity, I can't speak for how long the product lasts in your makeup drawer, but considering how well it performed during my tests, I'd say you're getting great quality that holds up. Customer service with Jane Iredale has always been positive in my experience. They're known for being responsive and ensuring customers are satisfied with their purchases, which adds extra confidence in buying from them. To sum it all up, Jane Iredale PurePressed Eye Shadow Triple in Driftwood is a fantastic option if you're looking for an eyeshadow that blends easily, stays put, and is gentle on sensitive eyes. It's definitely worth the investment if you want something that won't irritate your skin and provides lasting wear. If you have oily lids or need a wider shade range though, you may want to explore other options. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the description box for the link to purchase this product. If you've tried it, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.